Just want to let you all know, I just got off the phone with David Tepper, the famed hedge fund manager, of course, of Appaloosa. And if you're, kind of wondering at what level have things come down enough that people like Mr. Tepper are willing to buy, this morning was one of those moments. He told me that he has been nibbling at some stocks today, that the market had a pretty good move lower. In his words, it's still a tough market. Got to be careful about your exposure, and he is obviously as well. If you recall, many months ago, he sat with us in Pittsburgh and talked about taking his exposure down. But, the market had a pretty good move this morning, guys, lower, right? At one point, the Dow was, down 450? And he told me he was using that opportunity to nibble at some stocks. Not like he's buying hand over fist or anything like that. But it was the kind of move lower where a guy like David Tepper said, this is maybe too much, and I'm going to nibble in some of the areas of the market that I like and I have liked, and now I've gotten them at this, what he, I think is fair to say, felt like it was a bit of an extreme move lower. So that's the headline, is that David Tepper's been nibbling at some stocks this morning, buying as the the market hit that pocket there for a moment lower this morning.
Yeah, I mean, others too. Look, Scott, the Dow's down only 225 right now. Communication services just popped into the green in the S&P. There's been a little bit of buying of Facebook and Alphabet that I've been watching, sort of a tepid rally right now, but starting to get some green there as well. Look, we were down almost 20% from the highs on the S&P and the Dow. Dow briefly breaking that 22,000 level. Sentiment has gotten very bearish. Yeah,
fair to say as well that the nibbling that he's been doing was much lower than where we are sitting right now. It was from sort of that point where we felt like, at that moment you look up and you say, okay, the S&P is, what did you say, 0.5% from a official bear market. Dow had hit down below, it broke 22,000 a little while ago.
S&P bear market, it would be 2352, and we got within about 25 points at the low today. So in the S&P.
At least one big, well-known investor was using that pullback to nibble on some stocks and take it for what it's worth.
Be greedy when others are fearful, as Warren Buffett famously said.